Hello, welcome to Afaan Oromoo Learning. Today's video will be on progressive present verbs. So, progressive present verbs are actions that are happening in the present tense and they're ongoing. They're really any of the ing words, like going, running, talking, those kind of verbs. To talk in the present progressive for Afaan Oromoo, there's what I call a verb addition that you definitely need to know, and that's the word jira. Jira means to live, to exist, to be. You essentially add jira at the end of the action word that you're talking about. So the structure of present progressive verbs is usually a pronoun, then the verb, then jira, and that's how you form it. However, jira is conjugated differently in the person you are talking about. So for example, there's I, you, they, she, and we'll go over that now. For the English subject I, as in I myself, the Afaan Oromoo translation is ani, and the jira conjugation for it is just jira. For you, English subject, it's ati, and the Afaan Oromoo conjugation of jira is jirtu. 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 For the subject he, it's inni, and jira conjugation is also just jira. The English subject she is Shane in Afaan Oromoo, and the jira conjugation is jirti. 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 Next is we, that's nuti, nuti, and the jira conjugation is also jira. But there's a double R there, and you sort of emphasize the R a little bit more. It might be a little unnoticeable, but there's a little bit more emphasis in the R. Jira. Next up is you guys or you all. That's basically when you're referring to more than one person. So if you're just talking to one person, you would say you. But if it's more than one person, maybe a group, you'd say you all or you guys. The Afaan Oromoo word for that is isin, and the jira conjugation is jirtu also. Jirtu. Jirtu. Once you've memorized this sentence structure, you can use the present progressive for nearly any verb in Afaan Oromoo. I have some other verbs to teach that I feel is important to know when learning any language, but I also feel that it isn't necessary to read every verb form for every pronoun subject because the video will be far too long. So instead, I'll mention how the infinitive verb can be converted to the present progressive and give one example sentence for each verb. However, all the different conjugations for the different subjects or pronouns will be displayed on screen for you to reference. The first verb is ufu. That means to come. To change it from infinitive to present progressive, change it from ufu to ufa. That means coming. An example sentence is I am coming, which is ani ufaan jira. Ani ufa jira. Ani ufaan jira. The second verb we'll be looking at is demu. Demu means to go. To say going, it's dema. To conjugate it in the present progressive. An example of this is ani deemaan jira. Ani deemaa jira. Ani deemaan jira. Next verb is nyatu. that means to eat. To say eating, that's nyata. An example is ati nyata jirta. Ati nyata jirta. Ati nyata jirta. Next verb is ugu, which means to drink. Uga is drinking. To say he is drinking, it's inni uga jira. Inni uga jira. Inni uga jira. Next up is dubisu, that's to read. Reading is dubisa. She is reading is isheen dubisa jirti. Isheen dubisa jirti. Isheen dubisa jirti. To write is barreessu. Writing is barreessa. We are writing is nuti barreessa jirra. Nuti barreessa jirra. Nuti barreessa jirra. To buy is bitu. Buying is bita. To say you guys are buying, it's isin bita jirtu. Isin bita jirtu. Isin bita jirtu. To give is kennu. Giving is kenna. They are giving is isan kenna jiru. Isan kenna jiru. Isan kenna jiru. To work is hojjechu. Working is hojjecha. I am working is ani hojjechaan jira. Ani hojjecha jira. Ani hojjechaan jira. To sit is tau. Sitting is ta. To say you are sitting, it's ati ta jirta. Ati ta jirta. Ati ta jirta. To sleep is rafu. Sleeping is rafa. He is sleeping is inni rafa jira. Inni rafa jira. Inni rafa jira. To think is yadu. Thinking is yada. She is thinking is isheen yada jirti. Isheen yada jirti. Isheen yada jirti. The word berbadu can either mean to want or to look for. Berbada means wanting or looking for. If you wanted to say you are looking for something or you're wanting something, I'll use coffee as an example for this following sentence. Coffee is buna in Afaan Oromoo. So if you wanted to say we are looking for coffee, as in you're looking for like a coffee shop or something, you could say nuti buna barbada jirra. And the same thing is we are wanting coffee. It's nuti buna barbada jirra. It just matters in the context you are talking about. So they both are structured the same, but the meaning changes when you understand the context of your sentence. To laugh is kulfu. Laughing is kulfa. To say you all or you guys are laughing, it's isin kulfa jirtu. Isin kulfa jirtu. Isin kulfa jirtu. To help is gargaru. Helping is gargara. To say they are helping, it's isan gargara jiru. Isan gargara jiru. Isan gargara jiru. To begin or to start, it's jalqabu. Starting or beginning is jalqaba. To say I am starting, it's ani jalqabaan jira. Ani jalqabaa jira. Ani jalqabaan jira. The opposite of this is to finish, which is xumuru. Finishing is xumura. To say I am finishing, it's ani xumuraan jira. Ani xumuraa jira. Ani xumuraan jira. Which is a good way to end our list of verbs because that is the last verb we'll be going over today. Thank you all so much for watching. That will be the end of this video. I hope you learned more about the present progressive in Afaan Oromoo. If you have any questions, for example, any specific verb definitions you want to know you can just comment them down and I'll give an answer. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.